Worldwide Brands Honest Review. Watch before using. Worldwide Brands is a platform designed for entrepreneurs and e-commerce sellers seeking access to high-quality, certified suppliers and wholesalers. It provides a massive directory of over 16 million products from more than 8,000 vetted suppliers, offering an array of tools to streamline sourcing for dropshipping, wholesale, and private label businesses. Whether you're new to the e-commerce world or an experienced seller, Worldwide Brands promises to help you find reliable suppliers for various product categories. One of its most significant features is its supplier certification. Worldwide Brands only lists suppliers who meet strict criteria for reliability, ensuring that you work with trustworthy and established businesses. This is crucial for those who want to avoid scams or subpar suppliers. You also get access to detailed contact information, supplier profiles, and information about shipping and product details, which simplifies the decision-making process when choosing who to work with. Another key feature is the search tool, which allows you to filter suppliers by location, product type, and shipping options. The platform also includes a dedicated section for dropshipping suppliers, making it easier for users to find products with no upfront costs or inventory. This is especially valuable for newcomers to dropshipping who want to test the waters without committing to large orders or managing stock. However, there are a few downsides to consider. The subscription fee for Worldwide Brands can be relatively high, especially for those just starting. The lifetime membership option may seem steep at first glance, but it can be more economical for long-term users. Additionally, while the platform offers a wide variety of suppliers, some may not have as extensive product offerings as others. It's important to do your due diligence and review each supplier carefully to ensure they meet your specific needs. In terms of user experience, Worldwide Brands can feel a bit outdated compared to newer platforms with more modern interfaces. The website can sometimes be overwhelming, especially for first-time users, as it packs a lot of information into each supplier listing. Navigating through all the options can take some time and patience. In conclusion, Worldwide Brands is a valuable resource for serious e-commerce sellers who want access to certified, reliable suppliers. It's perfect for entrepreneurs focused on dropshipping or wholesale, but the price and user interface may be a barrier for some. Make sure you're ready to make the most out of its vast directory before committing.